Everyone, Namaskar. Today I am Vyomkesh Datta Tripathi of class 12 from Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya Patharchepa Balangir is going to say something about Ban Mahotsav on this auspicious week of Ban Mahotsav celebration. It was first started on 21st of August 1950 by then Union Minister of India, Dr. K.M. Munshi, to create awareness among the people of India towards plantation of tree. Do you know? Trees plays a vital role in our life. From a small pencil to a life-saving medicines, all these things we get from trees, or we can say from forest. There is a Sanskrit slok which aware us about the benefits of trees, that is chayam anyasya kurbanti swayam tishtati atape phalanyapi pararthaya brukhyah satpurusaiva. From this you can imagine how trees is important in our life. The regular tsunamis, the regular earthquakes and the natural disaster our country India is facing every year are all due to deforestation, which is caused by we human being for our selfish needs, or you can say greed. Do you know our country plant millions of trees in this week between 1st July to 7th of July in this Ban Mahotsav week celebration, but also our country cut down billions of trees in a year. So what is the value of millions in front of a big billion? So do you know we cannot live, imagine a earth without a life. Life is impossible without trees, because we all are heterotrophs and we directly depend on these trees for our foods, oxygen, which play a very important role in our life. For that also we human beings are dependent on tree. So to save the trees, we have to create awareness among the people in our surrounding as well as our family and friends to plant 100 of trees instead of cutting down one trees. Then we will be got success in this Ban Mahotsav week celebration. If we will plant only millions of trees and billions will be cut down, then what will be the importance of trees in our country? And we will face a major disaster due to our this work. So aware people about planting trees, then will be this Ban Mahotsav celebration will be successful, and the money our country used to celebrate this Ban Mahotsav, which is to create awareness among people, will be successful. So if I say about advantages of trees, then 3 hours will be a short period. So as I have got a time of 3 minutes, so I want to rest my speech. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.